everybody. So in today's video, I'm going to demonstrate some yogasanas which will be helpful in improving PCOD or PCOS. So PCOD or PCOS is basically polycystic ovarian syndrome or a polycystic ovarian disorder. This is a very commonly found disorder these days in women, and it leads to a lot of hormonal imbalance, irregular menstrual cycle, and also weight gain. And now this is like a vicious cycle. So PCOD and weight gain are interrelated. Now, somebody who is experiencing PCOD will see weight gain, and if it becomes even more difficult for them to lose weight. And as the weight keeps increasing, the condition of PCOD gets even worse. So, what are the ways in which we can try to improve this? First and foremost, we have to focus on healthy eating. Okay, so the meals have to be balanced. You need to have a lot of whole grains in your meals, lot of fruits, lot of vegetables, good amount of protein, good amount of water intake. Along with that, you have to have a very good healthy lifestyle. So when it comes to lifestyle, you should be incorporating a lot of good exercises. Now in today's video, I'm going to help you with some yogasanas which are having some specific benefits in terms of improving the PCOD. Okay, so let's get started and let's see the yogasanas. Let's begin with Paschimottanasana. Sit straight with the legs in front of you. Breathe in and raise your hand upward. Slightly bend back. Now breathe out and take your hands forward. Extend and touch your toes. Hold your feet and try to bend forward as much as possible. Hold this position for a little while. Keep breathing normally. Now breathe in. Take your hand backward. And relax and come back to seated position. Let's do butterfly pose or Baddha Konasana. Fold both your legs from the knees. Join the feet together. Hold your feet with your palms and try to pull your heels towards you. Keep your back straight. Gently exhale and bend forward. Try to draw in your stomach inside. Don't hold your breath. Try to touch your head to the floor if possible. Now gently inhale and raise up. Press your knees towards the floor as much as possible. Now to release the posture, release your hands and gently release your legs. Next is Upavishta Konasana. Spread your legs wide. Hold the big toe of both feet with the palms. Exhale and bend forward. Now breathe normally and hold this position for a few seconds. To release, inhale and come back straight. Another variation is to simply crawl with your hands forward. While going down, exhale. Now breathe normally and hold this position. To release, inhale, raise your head up, back straight. Bring your legs together and relax. For Malasana, come to standing position. Take hip width distance in your legs, feet at 45 degrees. Breathe out and gently go into a deep squat. Keep your back straight, breathe normally. For support, you can hold your hands with the feet. Alternatively, you can also extend your palms forward for a greater stretch. Keep breathing normally and hold the position. To release, inhale and slowly get up, come to standing position. Next is Shalabhasana. Lie down in Makarasana. Relax. Now slowly place your chin onto the mat. Extend your hands back and place them under the thighs. Bring your legs together, join the feet. Now inhale and raise the legs upward. Try to go to a 30 degrees or a 60 degree angle, whichever is comfortable. Hold the position. Do not hold the breath. Now gently relax, breathe out and come back to Makarasana position for relaxation. Last asana in this sequence is Dhanurasana. From Makarasana position, gently fold your legs at the knee. Bring your feet towards the hips. Now try to hold your ankles with your palms. Gently raise your body upwards from the knees as well as the chest. Keep breathing normally and hold the position for a little while. To release, gently breathe out. Release your palms from the feet. Take your feet down, take your hands forward and relax in Makarasana. So friends, these were some of the yogasanas useful in improving PCOD and PCOS. If you follow these for about 3 to 5 times regularly along with a healthy diet, you will definitely see some positive changes in your health as well as weight. In case you have any kind of physical injury or any kind of health issues like blood pressure, do consult your doctor before attempting any of the asanas. If you like this video, do share it with your friends. And for more such videos, you can follow me on my FB and Instagram handle. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any specific queries on improving your health, you can also directly message me. I will get in touch with you.